Unmasking the Imposter, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, unmask the imposter. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and it's used in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in your conversations and writing. So, let's get started. Unmask the imposter combines two key words, unmask and imposter. To unmask means to reveal the true identity of someone or something that is hidden or disguised. An imposter is a person who pretends to be someone else in order to deceive others. Together, the phrase metaphorically means to expose someone who is faking their identity or intentions. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to formal investigations. Here are a few examples. In mystery or detective stories, where a character is trying to reveal the true villain. In everyday life, when discussing someone who might not be as honest or genuine as they appear. In professional settings, particularly when identifying someone who has falsified their qualifications or experience. Using unmask the imposter adds a layer of drama and seriousness to the discussion, implying a search for truth and authenticity. Let's look at some sentences to see how you can use this phrase. The team worked tirelessly to unmask the imposter among them, who was leaking confidential information. After weeks of suspicion, the truth came out, finally allowing them to unmask the imposter. In the final episode, the detective managed to unmask the imposter, revealing the real culprit behind the crimes. Notice how the phrase is adaptable to various scenarios, always indicating a revelation of truth. When using unmask the imposter, keep these tips in mind. Context is key. Make sure the situation involves deception or hidden identities for the phrase to be effective. Dramatic effect. This phrase adds drama and intensity, so use it when you want to emphasize the impact of the revelation. Be sensitive. If discussing real-life situations, be mindful of the implications and the feelings of those involved. Unmask the imposter is a powerful expression that brings to life the act of revealing truths and uncovering falsehoods. Whether you're enjoying a thrilling book, discussing a mystery movie, or reflecting on real-life situations, this phrase adds depth and drama to the conversation. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident using Unmask the Imposter in your English communications. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.